Drawing for Kids, video for kids. Hi guys, follow along as I show you step by step how to draw a dog and a bone. Even though this is a drawing for kids, video for kids, adults and teens will have fun with this step by step for kids drawing. Get your markers, your crayons or your paint and your paintbrush and a piece of drawing paper, and I will show you step by step how to draw a dog and a bone. I will use a brown color to shade the bone. I will either use brown or gray, I'm not sure as yet, but I have my black markers, and we will start by drawing the outline of our dog. Here we have an ear. Let's do the other ear. And remember, your drawing doesn't have to be perfect. Just have fun with your drawing. The more you draw, the better you'll become at it. So there we have our two ears, and we will finish the rest of the face. Let's put a big nose right here. We want to put a mouth. We want to put a bone in his mouth. Let's put two eyes on our dog. some spots. We're gonna do some black spots on our dog. Guess we can call them spots. Okay, we'll draw the dog's legs. Now we will put his hind leg. Okay guys, here you have it. Step by step, I've shown you step by step how to draw a dog with a bone. Now we will color our dog with a bone. This is step by step for kids drawing how to draw a dog with a bone. Let's do the eyes of our dog. And we'll color here, color it in black. And the other one also. The nose, we'll color black. We'll give him some black spots. Keep it very simple. I guess we could call them spots. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Every day you will find fresh new contents, fresh new step-by-step drawing for kids. These are fun-filled video for kids where you can learn to sharpen your drawing skills as you follow along with our step-by-step drawing for kids. These are easy step-by-step for kids drawing. Now our bone, I think I'm gonna use this gray color. Yeah, I'll use this gray color for our bone. You could use, if you have a very light brown color, you could use that also. Or if you have like ivory white, you could use that, but we could also use this color gray or whichever color you choose to use. If you want to use your imagination and just let your imagination run wild, you could use a different color. But here you have it, guys. This is our cute looking dog with a bone. I have just shown you step by step how to draw a dog with a bone. Please remember to subscribe for more easy step by step for kids drawing and coloring. Until next time, please stay safe.